Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Box for Enterprise Content Management easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Box for Enterprise Content Management, start by visiting the official Box website. On the homepage, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will then be directed to a registration form. Enter your first and last name in the designated fields. Next, provide your email address. Make sure to use a professional email associated with your organization. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements listed. Confirm your password by typing it again in the appropriate field. After filling out all the required fields, review the terms of service. If you agree to the terms, check the box indicating your acceptance. Then, click the Create Account or Sign Up button to proceed. Once your account has been created, check your email for a confirmation message. Open the email and follow the provided link to verify your account. After verifying your email, return to the Box login page. Enter your email address and password to log into your new account. Once logged in, you may be prompted to set up your profile. Complete your profile by adding any additional information requested. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features. Consider setting up any necessary security settings for your organization. Now you are ready to start using Box for Enterprise Content Management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.